Hey Ryan, this is part 2 of the video explaining how to navigate and what to expect week by week in this online course. So where we last left off was the assignment sheet. The assignment sheet is due on Sunday, July 1st. So remember that you can just click on the announcements, the titles of the assignments that are due, and it takes you right to the link where you need to submit your assignments or what you need to do to complete them. So let's go back to the assignment sheet. So week 1 assignment sheet is due. Click on the link and it takes you right to where you need to turn in the assignment sheet. The other thing that's due week by week is reading. So you need to read every day for at least 30 minutes. And once you read for 30 minutes, then you log it in. Here is the sheet. Here is where we're going to be turning in your reading log. The reading log is going to be due every 2 weeks, so you're not turning one every week. And here is what it looks like. This is what it looks like for hers. She already has hers, and it says her name. Yours is going to say your name. And then the updated one, I actually have the dates already printed in. This is an old one. I'll have to resend that one to her, so I'm glad I checked. But the new one that I updated already has the dates filled in. So the date is filled in. Reading material, I have some reading material on our classroom. Let me show you really quick. If you go to topics and you click on reading material you can use towards your 30-minute log, I have a link of books if you want to go and rent some books from the library or purchase them, of some 9th grade honors books. These are great to read. And I also have some articles. So you just click on the articles. You can read them for 30 minutes. So read as many as you can in 30 minutes. Take your time, look at the vocabulary, understand it. So I have posted quite a few articles that you can use for reading material if you don't have a book available right now, or you just want to read these books. And you're going to put the title of them on here, or the title of whatever reading material you're doing, right there, the time you start reading and the time you ended. And you're going to do that every day, just for 30 minutes. So remember to read. That is one of your assignments. The reading log is not due this week. It is due week 2, next week. Another thing that is due is your Cornell notes. So if you click on the title, it takes you directly to the page where you're going to submit your Cornell notes on Sunday. If you need help on Cornell note taking, I of course have material. You go on your topics. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom, go on topics, Cornell notes, and I have some examples, some example note taking that you will be submitting every week. So I have this one that I made. I have the questions on the left-hand column, the content on the right, and then on the bottom, I didn't do, but I should have, we're going to have the summary, 1 to 2 sentences long. Remember that your summary must include, for your summary, it must include the first sentence. So state what topic you are learning about. So what topic are you writing about in this page of notes? And then explain the process involved for solving using math vocabulary. So the videos explain math vocabulary. So try to incorporate that math vocabulary when telling me in words how to solve a particular problem about that topic that you are learning about. So there's your 2 sentences and your notes are done, and you just turn them in to the link. You click on here and turn them in every Sunday. 2 pages of notes, that's it. Now, time for the math part. This week, I just want you to focus on the arithmetic and pre-algebra assignments. Do not worry about the Algebra 1 assignments yet. Do not worry about these guys yet. Okay, I want you to be able to master these assignments, the arithmetic and pre-algebra, before moving on to the Algebra 1. So when you watch, if you already watched the previous 2 videos that I asked you to watch, they're linked here and they're linked on your PowerPoint as well here. And they're also on your Google Classroom topic, how to navigate. So once you finish watching those videos, let's go back to the assignment sheet. I explained in those videos that, yes, there's so many links, so many. But look, we talked about there's only 34 exercises that you need to work on. So let's pretend that we're going to work on place value. So you looked at the PowerPoint, you looked at the assignment sheet, and now you're ready to work on your math. So this is the first video that you must watch, or you don't have to. So let's click on it really quick. So place value, you're saying, okay, I might need a refresher on place value. Let me watch this quick 2-minute video. So you watch this 2-minute video and then you kind of scroll through and you're like, hey, I feel like I've done this before. This is arithmetic. This is pretty easy. All right, I don't need to watch it. Great. Go on to the exercise. So you click on the link on the title. It takes you to the link. Click on it. And it takes you to the practice. So now, intro to place value. The digit 6 in which number represents the value of 6. And you begin working. And look how many look how many practice problems you have to do. Only 7. So when you think about it, yes, there are 34 exercises, all of these that have the grade next to it, all the exercises that have the grade. There's literally only 7 problems in each exercise. So it does look like a lot of work. It does look like a lot of links and a lot of work. But in reality, if you already know how to do a topic, so like let's say you already know how to do standard and expanded form, you can completely skip the video since you already know and just go straight to the exercise. Do those 7 math problems and you're done with that topic and cross these guys off. So I said, hey, I already know how to do this. I don't need to watch the video. Check them all off. Then you're done with that topic. So my sister started working on her math since Monday, and she's all the way over here already. She's all the way over here. And she's only been working an hour a day. Just because she kind of already knows the content, like order of operations PEMDAS, she already knows that. So she didn't watch the video, she went straight for the exercise and got a 7 out of 7. So remember, if you know a topic, or you can just scroll over the video quickly just to get an idea of what the exercise might be about, the practice problems might be about, and just go to the practice problems. But of course, like I say in the PowerPoint, that if you understand the concept, the topic, go straight to the exercise. But if you struggle with the exercises, you're working on the practice problems and you're struggling with them, make sure to watch the video that I have for that topic. And if you are still struggling after watching the video, send me an email so I can send you additional resources. I believe yesterday, my sister, she was having a little bit of trouble with place value, with rounding and place value. So I sent you and her an email containing 3 resources on there, explaining in further detail how to round decimals. And place value obviously is all connected in order to round. So I always have that. She let me know. She sent me an email. Hey, I need help with rounding decimals. And I got to her right away and I sent her that email with those resources. So if you are struggling, remember to email me and I will send you more additional videos. And if those don't help, then I'll make a video and we'll go over a few practice problems from the con so you can understand the concept. Okay, so that is that. And the assignments are not due this week. So the arithmetic and pre-algebra assignments are not due this week. They're due next week, July 8th. So don't worry about those. Just try to get through many as possible. But remember to master the content before going on to the next topic. So I have the topics sectioned out by color. So the purple ones are one topic, and then it changes to blue. That's another, and then this is another, and this is another. So I have them just color coordinated by topic. So you know, maybe you might want to, when you create your schedule, you might want to work on a number of topics instead of exercises, dividing, or you want to divide them however you like. But I have that for you. And that's it for this week. Next week will be a fun week. I created a really fun lesson plan for us to learn about digital citizenship, but you'll learn more about that next week. I hope these videos helped you. Don't let the stream of constant assignments and announcements confuse you. Remember that I try to post the assignments at the very top as possible, so your week sheet. So underneath the announcement welcoming you to the class. Underneath that, I have the assignment sheets ready. So the PowerPoint and the assignment sheet is here. Oh, there it is, the comment. Assignment sheets are due every week by 5 p.m. That's where you're going to turn them in. So, and I even have the announcement here. Turn in your week 1 assignment sheets here. So I have the assignment sheets. Underneath, I have signed the social contract. So you click on it and mark as done when you finish signing the social contract. It's also located here for reference. Underneath that, you have your Cornell notes. I have how I'm going to be grading your notes. So what you should include to receive a full credit score, full score of 3. You must include 2-page that has titles, that shows some process, so has steps, includes academic vocabulary, has topic headings, and includes the weekly summary. And then I say, hey, Cornell notes are for you. They're not for me. Learning how to take notes effectively is the first step college students need to make the transition from high school to college easier. Remember that these notes are to serve you, not me. You can submit and store as many notes as you want. When you go back to school, you will still be able to log back in here and use the notes. So remember, if you are struggling with a concept or a topic here, take notes. And you can submit those notes on here, because once we finish with this class in 7 weeks, this class will end. Once we finish with the summer class, it's going to be archived, meaning that it's not going to be active, but it's still going to be here. So when you go back to school in August and you are learning about, let's say, rounding numbers, and you say, hey, I have notes. I worked on this during the summer class. You can come back in here, log into your Google Classroom. The class will not be active, but everything will remain. And you can just click on the notes that you have it under and use them. Use them for class. Remember, these notes are for you. This class is for you. This class is not for me. This class is for you to try to get a heads up, to try to get a refresher, to try to master concepts before going on to your algebra class or your pre-algebra class in high school. So this class is for you. You need to tell me when you need help. You need to let me know whatever is happening, okay? So that is that, and let's go back to the stream. So here are the notes, and then underneath is your reading log, and that's it. You don't need to worry about all this constant stream because all these guys are already organized by topics. Okay, so that's that. Don't let it confuse you. You mentioned that you already are familiar with Google Classroom, so I hope this video helped you to navigate our summer class Google Classroom web page. So you are ready to begin working. Remember to watch these 2 videos that are located here and also on your Google Docs right here on Google Docs topic. Remember to watch these 2 before proceeding. And you are now ready to work on your algebra. Remember to do your reading every day, and these 3 assignments are due on Sunday. I hope this video helped, Ryan. Let me know if there's any questions. Okay? Bye-bye.